Hey there, Shooby Doodlers. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a can of peas. So we're going to start with an oval at the top like that. And then we want to come down a little bit. So this is kind of the thickness of the top of the can there. And we're going to do something similar like that. And then you kind of got those little ovally bits on markings on the top of a tin, don't you? Which kind of gives it strength or something. And then we want to come down a kind of a can length, which is going to be about like that. I think I'm going slightly wider at the bottom, but never mind. And we join those with a curve at the bottom. And again, we want another thickness at the bottom. And then I'm going to draw another curve like that. And I'm going to draw peas like that, and I'm going to draw a little crown, I think, so that we got sort of Crown brand peas. And then this wants to be a kind of an image of peas. It's kind of what they do on tins of peas. it's like it does what it says on the tin. To get that full image of peas, start drawing peas, half peas and quarter peas and things like that around the edges like that, and just fill in all those little bits there like that. And then you can start doing full ones like that and just fill in all those spaces with equal shaped circles of peas. Now I think that's probably enough. This is where it gets a bit tricky. So now we need to do some sort of hidden behind like that. So these are the sort of the second layer of peas, as it were. And you probably don't need to draw every single one because the eye just thinks that they're all there. You'll find when you come to colour them all in, if you colour in all the peas, then you'll find there will be some spaces in between. In fact, you can probably just make those darker rather than just fill them in black. But we can sort of do something like that, be one in there and like that behind there. You want some in there. So you just take your time. Look, we need something to fit in there, don't we? And wherever you see a kind of an odd space, just kind of fill in another sort of pea shape in the background. I think we need a bit more in there like that. And I'm going to call that it. Oops, the camera went dead on me. I've got a replacement coming soon. Then we can put a little bit of shade in there like that. Maybe a line behind to put it on the table. And that is how you draw a can of peas. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.